Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Welcome to another tutorial. Today, let's make a little break from Elementor because this knowledge you will need in next video. We are going to create contact form for your website and we are going to use one of the most popular plugins for contact forms. The whole process I will divide in 4 simple steps. Also, timestamps you can find down there in the description. Before we start, if you want to support me, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash the bell. Let's go! First, let's add new plugin. Click here on this add new button and there type contact, just contact. Okay, now let's install this contact form by WP Forms plugin. Also, I'm using the contact form 7 for my portfolio website, but for now this is out of our scope. Click here on activate and from there you can click here on WP Forms and create new or just click this button here. Here type the form name and choose this blank form option. Okay, first let's add the names, our first 2 fields, 1 field actually. Beneath that, let's add the numbers. Actually, not numbers, because if you want to collect the phone from your visitor, if you click here on fancy fields, this feature is locked, you need the pro version, but instead, let's click here on single line text. Okay, beneath that, let's put the email, and last will be field for text. All down there is our submit button. First, let's change our fields. Just click here, and here, let's see the settings. You can change the label, this word here. You can change the format of fields. First field's name field actually. You can add a description. You can uncheck this field to be unrequired. And this is the advanced options. Let's change the field size because I want my form to be, all fields I want to be the same width. You can add the placeholder for this field here. You can hide label and sublabel also. Okay. Also here you have the CSS classes, but this part I will leave for another tutorial. Let's change the single line. We need to change it and type phone number. This field will be required. In advanced options, let's change the width. Okay. The email also I want to be large, and this is very interesting because if you need, you can enable another field for confirmation email. In the paragraph text, here type your message, and also this field will be required. Okay, before saving, let's check the settings for our form. First is the general settings, and here you can change. See, you can change the form name, description, and you can edit the submit text on your submit button and submit button processing text. Okay, in notification, you can change the email. This form will be sent to your email actually. For now, this is the admin email. This email I'm using when I want to sign in to my WordPress website. Okay, now let's change it. And here you can set the email subject, form name, and so on. In confirmation, you can set this message after successful sending. This text here, you can type your own, you can add link on, or in this field here, you can change and redirect your visitor to a specific page on your website, or you can redirect to a specific URL. Okay, click here on save. Next step. Okay, click here on next. Oh, this is the form from previous tutorial, I think. Okay, with this shortcode here, this shortcode you can paste to your pages or through any page builder you use. I don't want to copy it now. because I'm going to use the Elementor. So the third step is implementing our form in page. Okay, click on pages. I already create one page in Elementor, this contact test. And in this, actually, let's search the element and type WP and drag and drop this element here. Just choose our test form. Actually, this is the form from previous tutorial. Just choose this beneath that. Yeah, this is the right one. Here we have the name, phone number, email, and message. Okay, what we can do next, click here to these 6 dots to see the settings for this section. If you want to see all of these settings, you can watch my tutorial about it. I will put the link here. And there I will change the width of my form, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to add some padding to make some room between, actually here, go to advanced field and unlink these values, and for top type 50 pixels. Okay, if you have any other part of website down there, you can add the bottom 50 pixels. And also let's change our field from tablet devices. It is very good. And for mobile, it is also very good. This is very important segment because majority of your visitors comes from small screens on your website. You want your form to be optimized for them. Okay, now let's click here on update and click on preview changes. Remove this code, but never mind, this is the same page. Okay, the last step is testing our form. I'm going to type my name, some number, just phone number here, my spam email, and text. This text here. When you're ready, click here on this submit button. Our message is successfully sent. Okay, now let's go on my Gmail account. This is our mail with name, phone number, email, and message. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Before the end, support me, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon. I will see you in next tutorial. Bye bye.